Happy
Again?
birthday, Daddy.
Leo.
Oh!
Daddy.
Daddy.
That was Daddy.
Here comes Daddy.
No.
Here comes Daddy. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday for Daddy. Yoo-hoo-hoo.
It's burned in half.
And they're milk.
Eh?
It's
Burned in
milk.
half.
This is milk. This is milk.
Don't
this
touch
is
it.
milk.
Don't touch it.
Mommy.
The red part fell off. Now it's more like a J. Congratulations.
And this is the C.
Congratulations. Oh, now you are having a problem.
Yeah, look.
Mommy.
Oh, the piece. Can I touch it? Look, Leo, the piece that was melting. It was melting, Leo. Tease.
Don't touch that black part.
Leo.
Leo, no licking that one.
I want this.
No,
What?
That's no food.
That's not food. That's the burned part.
Who want to try some of the chocolate?
Me.
With the finger?
I know.
Are you sure? Let me see that.
Moment.
Whoopa!
That's fine.
They
We
love
don't
you.
need to eat this part.
Daddy, the balloons love you.
The balloons love me? Where are the balloons?
Oh, wait.
Bring it right here to the table.
No, they
Mommy,
were
wait,
here.
I got a piece.
Daddy, they were here.
One last piece. This is the last piece. You see?
Leo, try the cake.
About to.
Yummy.
Is that good?
And you have a heart.
Guacamole chips.
Here's some more soup.
What?
Yeah. It looks like a chocolate donut.
Now, Daddy, choose what movie you want.
Okay.
You want to what?
Want to watch.
He's not going to watch any movie.